shit, yeah.
We're 2 hours behind schedule already.
Where are we going?
We're going to
Montreal.
Oh shit.
We're not going. Wait. Oh yeah.
Welcome back to the channel. I'm Chad, your tAilor. Last month, a couple friends and I went to Montreal just to get a couple things, pick up some stuff, meet some friends, check out a couple like spaces and studios and stuff like that. I've done like a vlog on this channel before. I think it's the first one, so congrats to me. Before we start, I want to show you guys a couple of things I got. I didn't get too many things actually. I went to the dime store. I don't have a lot of pink stuff in my wardrobe, so I got this t-shirt, bad chick kind of vibes, and I got this Bugle Boy shirt. It's got a tiny little stain here, but other than that, it looks pretty dope. It's like a cool salmon color. Enough talking, let's get this vlog.
Are my pants in there?
Okay, we're recording here.
Wait, are you facing the shot, dude? Oh wait, hold on, let me increase the height of this.
We're gonna die.
I'm wearing jeans already though.
Oh! Don't be stupid. There we go.
Okay, nice.
Am I still blurry? There we go. All right, so it's been 3 to 4 weeks.
It's been like 3 or 4 weeks.
It's been 3 weeks. Pants are here. I'm gonna give a big shout out to Spare Jeans and Prosper and Enrique. It was a great time coming there, seeing the studio, seeing all the stuff. We had a good time. It was fun.
Yeah.
Dope. We got the jeans. Let's open them.
Is that address showing?
No, I blocked it off.
She blocked it off. Yeah.
Good job.
Can you just get like a black marker?
You can still read this out. It says, what's the first pair gonna be?
Oh yes.
Wait, do we all get tote bags?
Do we all get? Yeah, we all get tote bags. We all get our own.
Oh, nice. Look at that.
Oh, okay, wait.
Let me see which one it is.
Oh shoot!
Wait, is that yours or is that Alexis? Wait!
Hey, this is gotta be mine. It's gotta
Okay,
be
this is
mine.
mine.
Oh, I think this one's mine.
Oh, they didn't?
No.
Oh no! 3, 2, 1. Hi.
Okay, let's go.
Wait, where do you put it?
Oh,
Nice!
You put it right on the butt cheek. Let's go. Jeez, these look so good. Okay, I gotta try these on. These are dope. What? Let's try these on.
Wait, do a cut.
Oh, they're so long!
They're long as
They're
shit.
so good!
They're so long. Alright, update. How's the drive, Alexia?
The drive is super comfortable. The AC's not working, but it's fine.
Okay, cool. Alright, how's the drive, bro?
He's pumped. He's pumped.
Hot as shit!
It's not that
Oh my god!
Not bad.
I'm not.
Guys.
It's kind of cozy though.
You guys over exaggerating.
And I was born in Manila. Pan it over to her. That's my aunt. Keep an eye on next time she texts. She uses one finger to
He's
text.
soft. He's too soft.
Holds her phone with the other one.
Oh my god.
The mic wasn't even plugged in. That's some shit I do, bro. The mic wasn't even plugged in the whole time.
Did we pay? I don't think we paid yet.
Let's go. Hey guys, so we woke up on time today.
What time is it?
It's 5 o'clock. Today, pretty jam-packed day. We're gonna be going to, I don't know, like a garden or something, right? And then the jeans, PK at 6. We get some food probably.
Did you want the smoked meat today? Like the deli sandwich?
Yeah. Can you do that on the last day so we can get it right before we go?
Okay, cool.
Smoked meat on that, I think.
Give us a breakdown on the outfit.
The outfit? Okay, so this is Old Navy. This is from Giso, I think, like that. And then boots are vintage.
What's the socks?
Socks are weak. There's somewhere in there.
Oh, okay.
Bag is from Hawaii.
And then the pin at the back?
Shrek and Donkey.
What are you doing in
my
this?
Okay, breakdown.
Alright, I'm wearing Stussy underwear. I'm wearing the Uniqlo wife pleaser. I'm wearing Weegens. I got silver rings today.
Ooh.
Shout out Steph, she made this one.
Shouts up.
I got friendship bracelet.
For me, I got clocks and colors for the rings. I think I got this one in New York. Hair ties, Walmart. Pack of like $1 million for $1. Echo belt. Boots from Texas. Shout out Mexican OT. These pants, women's, Uniqlo.
Wow.
I know, that's why the pockets suck.
Wait, that's kind of, yeah.
I remember, yeah. shirt from Banana Republic, hella old.
Hair? Who does the hair?
Me, also my mom. So shout out the family. Bag is from low profile, I'm saying.
Nice.
Socks are from Lollapalooza. I did not go, but they were a gift. I got a little, oh, where is it? It fell off.
Oh, we caught it here first.
Oh, I'm sorry,
I
Alexis.
never got to see it.
Sorry, I'm so sorry.
There's tension in the trip now.
Drama.
He's in trouble. She's mad.
This is a flat thing.
I was gonna do it, but there was in a bit.
They're so big. I'm scared.
He's having a pretty important business.
I know. Plants anything?
The Walmart decided.
How are you feeling right now, Alexia?
She's a little steamy on the nose here.
Okay.
A little on the pips. We're feeling it.
How you feel? Oh my god, this guy's on fire.
Sweat stains on the Ebbets, sweat stains on the women's Muji shirt, sweat stains inside the Stussy socks. I think the Stussy underwear is now water trunks. Having this one.
You want the blacker, right?
Yeah.
Darker.
The dark.
Is this one darker? Yeah, a bit more. But it's okay.
Based on Japan.
Are you recording?
They're all Japanese YKK.
And for you to know, each button is cost you, I think, is 75 cents because it's button. Imagine if you mistake once, you're wasting.
So that's rivets there.
That's why it's not a lot. I can start. It's not a lot because it's too expensive.
How you know him?
Good introduction.
He's shy. So shy.
Let him work.
Yo, he's been sassing me the whole time, bro. You're shy now.
Just a little introduction.
He's a little bashful.
No, I'm not gonna do that. If the camera is like, it's so big. It's
Oh shit, okay, wait, do you want to see your face?
It's not that close. It's not that close.
You're looking sweet, bro. You're looking sweet.
Alright, that's true.
The hair's looking
Yeah, there you
fluffy.
go. See, yeah, looking sweet. Yeah.
How do they get informed? Go see Instagram.
Cut that. That's all I got. That's all I got.
That's all I had, bro.
These are it. Very nice.
So nice, I think so.
Yeah,
You like it?
I love him.
You lock them doors and turn the lights down low. Ooh. Soft and slow.
Alright, so we just finished up. I'll do a little debrief how we feel.
Super pumped. We're super amped for this.
They follow the color page!
Yeah, Prosper, he said that he'd be down for a collab one day, so we'll see how that goes.
Yeah.
Whoa. Was the exact words or was it like?
Well, he said he'd be down.
Oh, okay.
What's something I
He
had?
said if you continue it.
Is it a spider?
Montreal people are dope so
Yeah,
far.
you guys are yappers.
Every French fry we've met, fucking dope. No one's been weird, rude. You know, if anything, we're the weird ones.
Yeah.
And everyone's enjoying it.
Yeah.
Enrique, shout out Enrique, first guy we met
Shout
at
out.
Spare Jeans.
Shout out Enrique.
He caught the vibe. He's like, I wish I could hang out with you guys. Like,
Everyone's trying to hang out.
the aura is already 3 blocks down. It's approaching you. Watch out, you know?
Yup.
It's dope.
Super Emily in Paris. I haven't even watched that film
I
yet.
haven't watched that show.
I haven't watched it.
What's up, Walkie, Jeff? You're not Chad.
Can we get another tattoo breakdown?
This one was a cover-up because before I had like a Scorpio and it was very not good, so I just got it cover up. Then this one, those two are just very random. I got them from friends of mine.
I like your nails too.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. This
You got crazy vibes.
Nails are
Yeah.
cool too. Let's see the full fit. Let's see the
Oh my
full
god.
fit.
Kind of sick. Yeah, nice.
Swag. Shout out to every color there is out there. I miss you in my heart. That's pretty much it. feeling some sushi and stuff, but it doesn't happen.
Oh, that's a big ass spider. Never mind. I was gonna slap this, but I don't want to disturb the spider.
Oh yeah, you don't want to disturb the spider.
How far is the walk though?
Guess.
I saw a 9-minute drive, so I'm gonna guess like 20-minute walk.
Yeah, it's like 17.
There's one condition, because I gave you my drink. You gotta drink both of them at the same time.
That's fine. That's it? That's the...
I just want to see your reaction.
I can't even see yours.
It kind of slaps. It's kind of good.
Does it slap? Let me try. Alright, guys.
The crazy way.
It's pretty good.
Did you get a picture of the car?
So right now we're in Montreal, and so we're checking out Studio Nixon, and we have to call in to get into the store.
Alright, it's rolling.
We're rolling.
Yeah.
All right, so we're driving back. We got 5 hours. Whoa, 5 hours exactly. So we get back to Toronto. How are we feeling about the trip?
It was pretty good.
Yeah,
We
so
were,
definitely a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10 for sure. Every time that we went to like a destination, it just always ended up in a really long yap session. We're talking, met Lily, talking with PK, Enrique, everybody, Prosper. Shout out to those guys at the jeans place. That was super dope.